Okay, hey all. So for my recent LightSwitch blog post, I decided to see if I could integrate ASP.NET SignalR into both the LightSwitch server and the LightSwitch HTML client. So if you aren't too familiar with SignalR, it's a really cool way to push up some real-time notifications to your HTML client from your server. You should definitely check out the blog post for some lower-level details of how I made all this work. So in the video, I'm just going to give a quick overview and a demonstration. So you can see here, all right, what have I done? I've made a LightSwitch HTML application using VisualStudio 2012 Update 2. I made a really simple contact entity with some basic fields in it for stuff like your first name, your last name, some address information for our contact. And then I've created a couple really simple HTML screens for browsing through our contacts and for adding and editing contacts. And so let's just check it out here. So I got a little simple browse screen with a couple add and edit buttons on it. And I've also got I've got this label control on my screen, and this label control is what we're gonna use to push up some real-time notifications to our HTML client. SignalR is going to use that field to put some real-time notifications in there. So I've already used NuGet to integrate the SignalR NuGet package into both the HTML project and the LightSwitch server project, and I got all those details on the blog. So let's just check it out quick. We're just gonna F5 this, we're gonna start this up, and we're gonna make ourselves a record, and we're gonna see that the label on this browse screen is going to get updated when we do that. All right, so let's check this out. F5 in our app now. It's loading up our browse screen. See, I've already got one record in here. Let's go ahead and add ourselves a record for John Doe, and we'll check this, and we're going to save it. All right, so check it out. We got ourselves a message from the server saying a contact for John Doe was created. So this is the label control here. It got populated with data from the LightSwitch server using SignalR. SignalR was the method I used to shove up that real-time notification. Okay, so that's all right. That's really not all that slick. Let's make this a little bit cooler. So we're going to fire up another instance of our HTML client. Okay, so now we've got two instances of the HTML client running here. All right, so in this same screen, I'm going to go ahead and make another contact. Let's call this guy or this girl Jane Doe. We'll check this off. And all right, so now we're going to save this. It's going to insert this record, and let's see what happens. All right, so check it out over here. And here we got a message from the SignalR server saying that a new record was created for Jane Doe. So this the SignalR server sent the message to both clients in real time. And we can go and just edit her record too. And we can add some address like Fargo, North Dakota. Let's check this off and save it. And you can see a contact for Jane Doe was just updated. So I could let this user over here know that, oh, okay, well, my data is a little bit stale and I should maybe consider refreshing and pull back in some data here. And then they could pull that back in and see all their records. All right, so yeah, SignalR, great way to shove up some real-time notifications to a browser, and obviously, as you can see here, you can use that with LightSwitch HTML application. And definitely check out the blog for some more details. Let me know what you guys all think. All right, cool. All right, see you later, Internet.